Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if you're coming across an issue on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer that you ran into an issue with a Windows update, error KB5025211 on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, how to resolve it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in disk cleanup, best match, go back with disk cleanup, go ahead and open that up. Select your drive where Windows is installed, it should be indicated by a little Windows icon above the hard drive, and then select OK. You want to select cleanup system files, select OK again, give this a couple moments to run, and then select OK. Are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? Select yes. Select delete files and give that a moment. And then once that is done, open up the search menu, type in troubleshoot, best match, come back with troubleshoot settings, open that up. Underneath options, select other troubleshooters, and then underneath most frequent, select the Windows Update troubleshooter. I recommend following along with any suggestions it makes here. And then once that's done, open up the search menu, type in CMD, best match, let's say command prompt, right click on it, and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now into this elevated command line window, type in SFC space / scan now. Scan now should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard to begin the system scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. And once that is finished, close out of here. And you want to restart your computer at this time. And there you go, guys. Hopefully this pointer issue has been resolved. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.